Alright, so hi, I'm Morris Rosenthal for Phoner Books, coming to you still with a cold, and we're going to use the free NVU software to create an author website with simple HTML. Now there's many ways to go about doing this. We could spend a lot of time creating a beautiful template. We could do that with CSS cascading style sheets. We could do it with XHTML. But I want to do this the simplest, or maybe I should say the crudest possible way, so that you really see all the underlying issues and that you also see that you can just get the job done without obsessing about it. After the fact, maybe I'll do versions with CSS or with a more extended template. So we're going to start off with the layout just like most of the Phoner Books website, which is simple tables. So we'll come along, insert a table. 2 by 2 is just fine. There you go. Isn't that just absolutely ugly? So over here on the left side, I want to put in this logo that we created in the first video for this tutorial. So I'm going to come up to Insert, Image. I'm going to find the image using the Choose file in my Phoner Books image directory here. And it's going to be logo. There we go. Open. Alternative text really isn't necessary for a logo, but we're going to call it Author Lessons Logo. Okay, and there it is. Now, one of the first things I want to do is come over here and change this table cell dimension so that the logo and our navigation can run down the left side and the rest of the content can be to the right. So what I'm going to do is come up here and find that in the table properties. So we have table properties, cells, and you see where it's going previous next. So it's going to apply this particular cell information that we give it to the cell where the cursor really is, which is the one we want to be in. And I'm going to make that width 180, which is the width of our graphic, 180 pixels. The other choice is percent of the table. And you can do that if you want everything to be equally spread over the screen, but I'm going to leave the right-hand side of the table to be ragged. I'm going to change the vertical alignment for the cell to top. I'd like to do that for the whole column. I might have to do it separately when we get down below. And that's about all the changes we want to make here. So I'm going to apply and OK Save. And you now see that this logo is over here on the left, and we're going to add our navigation beneath that. I don't know if I want to do the navigation in this lesson or save it for the next video, but I should point out quickly, when you look at my pages, you usually don't see these table boundaries, and that's easily done away with by going to Table Properties. And somewhere here they have border. We're just going to change the border to 0, apply, OK. And that border is only showing up for the HTML editor. When these pages are out on the website now, you'll see no border. You'll just see these, the large white area with the graphics. So I'm going to wrap up this page with just those 2 short lessons, inserting an image and changing the table cell properties. And in our next video, we'll quickly start with adding navigation.